B. 20. A.
S, s, s.
B. 20. B.
Sit, sister, bus, class, glasses, city, circle, pencil, place, police, pronounce, science, scissors.
B. 20. C.
Six. Next.
B. 20. D. 1.
Summer in the city.
2.
Have you seen my glasses?
3.
So, I'll see you in the same place next Saturday.
4.
I saw your sister on the bus yesterday.
5.
My science lessons were the most interesting.
B. 21. A.
Z, z, z.
B. 21. B.
S, z, s, z, s, z.
B. 21. C.
Givz, ʻsɪstəz, ʻiːzi, ʻhʌzbənd, ʻrəʊzɪz, zoo, ʻzɪərəʊ, saɪz, ʻsɪzəz, jazz.
B. 21. D. 1.
What time does the zoo close?
2.
My favourite music is jazz.
Really? Well, it's always interesting, but it isn't always easy to listen to.
3.
Roses are my favourite flowers.